Okay, everyone from the Pepe family, welcome back to the Bitcoin Bubble channel. Have a great December. To Pepe, this is the first news story for the month of December. Plus, you should know that December 2024 was the busiest month in the crypto space. It's been a while. A lot of people must be excited. Of course, December is always a very exciting month here. Not just about crypto. I'm just going to say that December is a really great month. Oh, people all over the world are excited. It's the holiday season, and the market is also picking up, which makes this the best time. Let's look at what's going on with Pepe and what we can expect in this first week. You know, Sunday did start off on a really good note. Even though some coins are down right now, a lot of them are still hanging on to their gains. If you watch my XRP after you know what's going on, you'll see that it's at 12.3%, 20% H-bar. For example, Pepe started off on a very good note and is now sitting at 7% in USD. We should look more closely at what is going on and what is still to come. Before I do that, though, I want to make it clear that nothing on this channel is meant to be taken as financial advice. As with any investment, you should always do your own study before putting money into crypto. If you look at the price, which is 21.96 USD, it's up 7.1% in USD and 7.1% in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. That being said, I want to make it clear that nothing on this channel is meant to be taken as financial advice. If you look at the price, which is 21.96 USD, it's up 7.1% in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. That being said, I want you to pay attention to the market cap. It's back above $9 billion to be exact, $9.2 billion. And the 24-hour trade volume is about $5.33 billion. Speaking of which, the number of holders is also going up with 3, 5, 8, 0 new holders every day. The number of holders is going up, which is crazy to see. But before we get to the news, I just want to give you guys there is a link in the description box below that you can click on to follow my second channel, Us.Thanks. I'm going to do something totally different on this channel, so please hit that red subscribe button. That's my second channel. If you want to know how much Pepper costs, click on the link in the box below. We're going to put that off for now because I want you to look at the 135.1 billion meme coin market as a whole. Not only is she up 14.9%, but the stock is also making some big moves right now. So remember that fight I talked about? I still think Pepe will beat Shiba Inu, but great, it's a 15% gain for anyone who has sheep in their portfolio today. But if you look at the big boys as a whole, they're actually making the most progress right now. Check out the top 10. Gainers by more than 10%. Brett is one of them, and so is Shiba Inu. You should know that Pepe is getting close to a 10% gain. You get the idea, right? You may have noticed that many of these meme coins, including Pepe, have been going up. If you've been paying attention to the crypto markets for about 2 weeks now, you may have noticed that Pepe and other meme coins started really exploding at the beginning of November after the elections were over. After that, you noticed that they didn't move. You saw that many utility projects were taking their time. You check out XRP, Algo, and H-bar. You all get it. Are we about to see round 2 of this, though? Of course, power is falling like it never has before. You guys should already know what's going on if you've seen any of my other posts. Really, really sharply, dominance is falling. And that is a very interesting thing to look at right now. A lot of people are talking about whether or not there will be another altcoin rise soon. I'm not giving up on it just because of what's going on right now. Bitcoin prices have been all over the place over the last few days. No matter what you want to call it, we saw some big shakeouts and fakeouts. To be more specific, power did not change. In fact, it went down, which is a very interesting trend that we should study further. But the price of Bitcoin is going back up above $97,000 today, which is great. You all know that I talked about that $96,000 level in this channel when we retested the 90K. I said that your 96 level is very important to get back above, and that's exactly where we are now. In other words, the price of Bitcoin is good. As for proof of an altcoin or meme coin rise, it looks like we're more likely than ever to see one. This is because the price of Bitcoin has been going up and down, and so Bitcoins have been growing slow. If you look at the price of Bitcoin, though, it's controlled, didn't even rise. If Bitcoin retests levels around $99,000 again and doesn't change its lead, I think that could be the biggest sign that an altcoin rise is about to happen. But if you look at Pepe right now in terms of daily time, once more, going back to what I told you guys before, you need to see a project find its own footing after a run like this. And Pepe was able to make that happen. Of course, that's great, but you don't have to know a lot about technical analysis to notice that this picture looks great. You can see it's pretty. So unique, you know what? I'm sorry, this is making things hard to understand, so let's get rid of it. First spike, then consolidation, then spike. But this time, unlike other times like this, the power is actually pulling down. If dominance keeps going down and Bitcoin keeps going up, this could be a very big deal. We could start moving toward all-time highs for a Pepe much faster than a lot of people think. To help you understand, this is the daily time frame. I'll show you the hourly time frame that really help you guys understand what's going on. Take a look at this. During the beautiful consolidation phase, we did reach the beautiful consolidation phase. We did reach the retest down to the previous all-time high support at 1735, which we talked about. If you had any buy orders in around that time, as I've told you before, those are definitely key resistances or supports. Pepe, look for entries on our levels, and if you took part or know that you had buy orders made in the Goth field, Pepe did go up 33. This isn't going to make up 33.5% in just a few days. Things have only been going on for a few days, not months. And look at how much Pepe cost. Don't forget what I said about the 23-ish zone. That is exactly where we're kind of getting stuck. But it's clear that protest is on the way. So it's clear that if this can hold up and if this can close, you know that the daily candle is above the 2200 zone today. That would be a big